What's up guys, today I'm gonna show you how to make chili honey chicken noodles. This dish is incredibly simple and tastes way better than takeout. Let's make it. Start with one chicken breast and first cut it into strips. Then cut them into small pieces. Keep the pieces by its side, not too small and not too big. This is pretty much the size you're going for. The chicken is ready, now let's marinate it real quick. Add 2 teaspoons of olive oil, but if you don't have any, regular oil works just fine. Next up, half a cup of cornstarch. And finally, season with salt and pepper to taste. I might have messed it up a little, this is more of coating than a marinade, but you know what I mean. Now give everything a good mix until every piece of chicken is nicely coated. And if your pieces don't look like this, you're probably doing something wrong. Alright, the chicken is coated, now let's move on to the frying. I'm using a stainless steel pan. Just sprinkle it with a little water, and if it beats up and slides around, your pan is ready for oil and cooking. A lot of people avoid stainless steel pan because they think everything sticks. Trust me, nothing sticks to a properly heated pan. Just make sure to add the oil after it's hot. Next, add the chicken to the pan. Just don't crowd it. We want every piece to develop a perfect crust. Cook for about 4 or 5 minutes until golden brown, then flip and cook the other side. Our goal here is to get a nice and crispy crust. This is the kind of crust we're looking for. The chicken is done, let's set it aside for now and move on to the noodles. You can use any noodles you like. I'm actually using instant noodles and simply tossing the seasoning packet that comes with them. I don't think I need to explain how to cook noodles. Bring the water to a boil, throw in the noodles and cook them for as long as the package says. Next, peel 3 cloves of garlic, and please don't copy my technique. But seriously, garlic is much easier to peel if you give it a little crush first. See? It peels like a dream. Alright, I forgot to mention, we need the garlic for the honey chili sauce. Give it one last punch, and mince it as finely as you can. You can use a knife, a grater or garlic press. Honestly, whatever works for you. The end result is all that matters. Alright, the garlic is done. Now let's move on to the liquid ingredients for our sauce. First add 3 tablespoons of soy sauce. Next 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. Add all of the minced garlic, half a teaspoon of chili flakes, 2 tablespoons of honey, and finally 2 tablespoons of water just to thin the sauce out a little. Give the sauce a good stir, and now it's time to let it simmer for a bit. Next, grab the same pan we cooked the chicken in and melt a piece of butter. And if you didn't know, scientists prove that food with butter tastes 50% better. Or at least that's what I like to believe. Meanwhile, pour the sauce into the melted butter and let it simmer over low heat. Stir it from time to time and cook until the sauce thickens. It should only take a few minutes. Meanwhile, let's take care of the vegetables. Let's start with the bell pepper. First remove the seeds and the stem. Next, cut the pepper into strips. Actually, I'd cut the pepper into quarters instead of 2 halves. Smaller pieces fit in the pan much easier than big ones. Just a little spoiler. By the way, I love bell peppers so much that I eat half of them while I'm chopping. The sauce has thickened up, which means it's time to add the peppers. Add the peppers to the sauce and let them simmer for about 2 minutes. And if I hadn't eaten most of it, fitting it all in the pan would have been a lot harder. Next, add the chicken to the peppers, give everything a good stir and let it cook for 1 minute. I almost forgot, besides the bell pepper, we also need a bunch of green onions for this recipe. This part is super simple, just grab a bunch and cut it into large pieces. Add the noodles and green onion to the pan and give everything a good mix. To keep the noodles from sticking together, give them a quick rinse under cold water before adding them to the pan. For such a simple 20-minute dinner, I think this dish looks like an 11 out of 10. Let's get everything out of the way. All we need now is a bowl and a pair of chopsticks. Transfer the noodles to a bowl and garnish them with sesame seeds and finely chopped green onions. And here it is. Just look at this beauty. I think this is an absolute win. Let me know in the comments if I nailed it. And finally, my favorite part of the video, the taste test. Oh damn, this is freaking amazing. The slightly crunchy pepper, the juicy chicken, the sweet and spicy sauce and the noodles. This combination is just incredible. It's way better than takeout. Honestly, this tastes like something you'd get at a really good Asian restaurant. You must try it. And thanks for watching. See you soon.